5 Minutes Information channel. I welcome you all. This is episode number 54, and in this episode, I will talk about the data collection method in a qualitative research part 2, and I will discuss about the focus group interview or focus group discussion. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this lecture URL link mentioned on the video description. In this episode, I will talk about the 5 main points about the focus group interview. Number 1, what is focus group interview? Number 2, what are the purpose of focus group interview? Number 3, which discipline focus group interview conducted? Number 4, what are the types of the focus group discussion? And number 5, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the focus group interview? A focus group interview is a qualitative method. Its purpose to obtain in-depth information on concept, perception, and ideas of a group. A focus group discussion aims to be more than a question-answer interaction. A suitable definition provided by the Paul and ETL about the focus group discussion. A group of individuals and selected and assembled by researchers to discuss and comment from personal experiences the topic that is the subject of the research. Point number 2, what are the purpose of the focus group interview? The main purpose of the focus group interview is to draw upon the respondent attitudes, feelings, beliefs, experience, and reaction in a way in which would not be feasible using other methods, for example, observation, one-to-one interview, or questionnaire surveys. Now, the point number 3, which discipline focus group interviews are conducted? Focus group interview conducted in academic discipline of social sciences like political science, international relation, library science, as well as interacts with the in the business management, marketing, consumer opinion. Somehow it is also conducted in a field of usability engineering like human computer interaction to know about the computer products, understanding, motivation, and etc. The point number 4, what are the types of the focus group interview? There are 6 main types of the focus group interview. Number 1, two-way focus group. Number 2, dual moderator focus group. Number 3, mini focus group. Number 4, client involvement focus group. Number 5, participant moderator focus group. Number 6, online focus group. Now I discuss each focus group type one by one. Number 1, two-way focus group. A two-way group involves two separate groups having discussion on the topic at different times. As one group conduct their study and other group observe the discussion. In the end, the groups that observe first session perform their conversation. The second group can use insight gain from the watching the first discussion to dive deeper into the topic and offer more perspective. Number 2, dual moderator focus group. There are 2 moderators for this event. One ensures the smooth execution and other guarantees the discussion of each question. Number 3, mini focus group. These type of focus group restrict the participants from 6 to 8. Number 4, client involvement focus group. Use this focus group when client asks to conduct a focus group and invite those who ask. Number 5, participant moderator focus group. One or more participants provisionally take up the role of moderator. And number 6, online focus group. These groups employ online medium like Google Class, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and its Skype, and etc. Gather opinion and feedback. There are 3 categories of people in online focus panel. Number 1, observer. Number 2, moderator. And number 3, respondent. I move to the point number 5. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the focus group interview? Advantage of the focus group interview. Number one, information obtained is usually very detailed. Number two, cost effective. Cost effective when compared to one on one interviews. Number three, it reflects speedy and efficiency in the supply of results. Disadvantage of focus group interview. Number one, lacking depth in covering the nitty gritty of subject matter. Number two, bias might still be evident. Number three, requires interviewer training. Next point, the researcher has very little control over the outcomes. Number five, a few vocal voices can drown out the rest. And number six, difficulty in assembling an all inclusive group. That's end from the episode number 54. I hope you learned about the focus group interview, its purpose, and which discipline it is conducted, its focus group, types of focus group, and advantages and disadvantages of the focus group. In next episode, I will talk about the data collection method qualitative research part 3 and observation topic will discuss. So stay tuned with the 5 minutes information channel and don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.